dahil first song pa lang yun.
Kamusta mga kababayan sa Singapore? Balita ko ang yayaman nyo na dito
Mayaman sa pagmamahal.
Yun. Ayos na ba tayo lahat ngayong gabi?
Yun.
Gusto nyo ba mag-enjoy ngayong gabi? Walang uuwing hindi mag-enjoy ngayong gabi. Sino ba mga in love dito ngayong gabi?
Ay, marami. Tanungin naman natin yung mga single ngayong gabi. Ay, konti. O, sige. Yung next song namin, hindi lang to para sa mga may jowa or couples ngayong gabi. Sa lahat po ng mga nagmamahal ngayong gabi, sana po maging faithful tayo. Alright?
Sino mga faithful sa kanilang mga minamahal? Taas kamay!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Highway run into the midnight sun. Winds go round and round around my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight, sending on my love along the wire. They say that the road is no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. And love and the music melody knows what's supposed to be. Oh, boy, stand by.
Are you ready? Everybody?
Come on! I'm forever yours. Singapore, sabay-sabay! Once again, let's reach out the top. Seconds alive under the beat-up world. We all need a glass to make us smile. Through space and time, always another shore. Wondering where I am, lost without you. And being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers love and fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh, boy, stand by me. I'm forever yours. Lumas malakas! Thank you so much! Pwede mo natin itaas yung ating mga kamay. Sabay-sabay tayo! Let's sing the song together! Come on! Singapore! Here we go! DJ at the top! Thankfully, I'm still wala ka tayo konting palakpakan para kay DJ! Once again, DJ at the top, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much! Woo! Alright, kalmahan natin. Do you want more love songs? Gusto niyo ba si BJ naman? Ano, mas malakas kay BJ ah. Alam niyo bang hindi kompleto ang sweet notes kung wala ako? Notes na lang. Alright, let's give it up for BJ.
Sino mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music dito ngayong gabi? Ito yung gusto kong crowd. Bakit ang lakas ng energy ng Singapore? Sanay ba kayo sa concert dito?
Oo, palagi.
Pwede ba natin gawing once a year to? Oh, bawas-bawasan nyo yung mga kayamanan nyo dyan. Minsan naman to. Alright, sino mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music? Kung sino makita namin pinakamataas ang energy, mamimigay kami ng Sweet Notes jersey. Alright? Alright, pa sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music, this song is for you guys. Baby, wanna tell you why there is sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Yeah? Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there's something left in my head. You're the one who said no, and you're the one to make it stop. I don't wanna feel lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you say. There's something left in my head. I wanna hear you say, I want the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, but it lasted for so long. And I'm not the man your heart is amazing. That's why you go away. I know. It's almost about to lose everything. Mataas ang energy! Still dreaming. It was too late. But then you came along to my surprise. Sana ba yung minagmataas ang energy ng gabi? And you stole my heart before my very eyes. Sing the ball when I hear you say, come on everybody. You took me right, say. Beautiful. To be my showing that you love me too. Only by giving me your everything. With a love so true. O, kayo naman. You took me out. Daming singer dito ah. Dito na siya. Ayos ba tayo dito? From my youngest years to this moment here. Ayos ba tayo dito sa gilid? Dito sa gilid, ayos ba tayo? I've never seen. Kamusta yung nasa harap? Such a lovely queen. From the skies above to the deepest love. Come on, talikod. I'll never fail. Crazy like this before. Say, pay my love. You should pay my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom sometime. Thought I made up my mind. She was the girl, and we